Meet Dibea flagship cordless vacuum cleaner, Dibea D008 Pro. Yes, up to 17,000 PA suction power. In short, is Dibea D18 alike but with much more power and almost like Roidmi F8 suction power. As you can see, everything is covered with plastic and held by foam board, and a lot of accessory included. Let's have a closer look on them now. The essential English user manual for starter. Be sure to go through it to get started. The power adapter with US plug. It supports 100 to 240 volt input and having 0.45 amp output. And here is the wall mount. You can use the bundle 3M adhesive pads to attach mount against the wall, or use the screws for permanent and much more powerful holding grip. The standard long crevice, perfect to use it as handheld mode, useful for car cleaning. And here is the bristle brush, come with 2 mode adjustments for different type of cleaning. Soft feather brush with adjustable angle, can be used as handheld or with extension tube. The long metal tube in red color, a must-have component for daily cleaning. And the very useful extension tube that I like, very flexible to reach hard to reach places. Yeah, there is an anti-mite brush to clean mattresses, pillow and sofa, a must-have tool that I use every fortnight. Easy to clean the filter, as you can see. Just use a coin to open it will do. A hard floor motorized brush is included this round. No more copper brush and LED lights. And replaced with ultra white vivid brush that great for sensitive wood floor. Just like anti-mite brush, you can remove the brush by unlocking the lock with a coin. Install it back after clean will do. Finally, the main part, vacuum motor and the dust cup with all the filters inside. It's just like Dibea D18 but with a more powerful motor. It comes with large 0.55 liter dust cap, power on off trigger button, speed mode switch on top of the motor, and 3 battery life LED light indicators at back. Dust cap and filters are easy to clean. Just remove them one by one, wash them with water, then dry them out. Install in the end will do. Does it better than Dibea D18? A detailed review is coming out soon. Be sure to stay with me, thumb up to support me, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.